Namaskar. As you already know that we are discussing about the chapter number first, Introduction to Accounting. In the first lecture we already discussed about the meaning of accounting, second, characteristics of accounting, third one is accounting cycle and process, and fourth one is objective of accounting and why there is a need for accounting. So that we have already done in the first lecture. Now move towards the next video in which we will discuss about the function of accounting, second bookkeeping, third one is accounting, fourth one is accountancy, and fifth one is branches and subfield of accounting. So in the next slide we will start with the function of accounting. First, maintaining systematic and complete record. So accounting helps us in maintaining the systematic and complete record of business transactions and to provide us the information regarding the profit and loss as well as the financial position of the business. Second, communicating the financial result to the various parties. Again, accounting helps us in communicating the financial result to the interested parties. And as we already discussed, that there are two types of parties, internal and external users. Those who have an interest in knowing the financial result of the business. Third, protecting the asset of the business. As we know that the asset of the business like cash, bank balance, inventory, other assets play an important role in the business. So accounting helps us in protecting the assets of business. Fourth, providing assistance to the management. So accounting again helps us, or we can say helps the management for planning, controlling and decision making. Next, compliance of legal needs. As number of laws are prevailing in the market or in the country, so as per the compliance of legal needs, or we can say as per the compliance of the laws of the country, accounting helps us in maintaining these compliances. And last, fixing the responsibilities. Accounting helps us in fixing the responsibilities of each and every department of the organization. So in this slide we will discuss about the bookkeeping. What do you mean by bookkeeping? So bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of accounts the monetary aspect of financial transactions, which I already told you that bookkeeping is the art of recording, and of which transaction, that is business transaction, and which is in the terms of money. So bookkeeping includes the following transactions. The first step is identification of business transaction. Second, it should be in the terms of money. Third one is recording in the form of general or subsidiary books. And fourth, classifying into ledger. So it includes identifying the transaction of financial nature, measuring the identified transaction in the terms of money. Third, recording the identified transaction. And fourth, classifying into a separate account of similar nature, that is called ledger. So in the next slide we will discuss about what is accounting and what is accountancy. So in the previous slide I told you people that what is bookkeeping. So let's move towards what is accounting. So accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. So this is the secondary step. Bookkeeping is primary and accounting is secondary. So whenever the bookkeeping ends, then accounting starts. So accounting includes the following: summarizing the classified transaction in the form of P&L and balance sheet. Second, analysis and interpreting the summarized result. And third one is communicate the result or information to the interested parties. That is called users, internal and external users. So in this slide we will discuss about what is accountancy. So it refers to a systematic knowledge of accounting concerned with the principle and technique which are applied in accounting. So we can say the principle and techniques which are applied in the process of accounting is called accounting. According to Kohler, accounting refers to entire body of theory and practice of accounting. So again the same thing here, that is the principle and techniques which applied here in the accounting process is called accounting. So the three important concepts are there: bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Bookkeeping is which include identification, recording and classification. Accounting includes summarizing, interpreting and communicating the result. And accountancy is the principle and technique applied in the accounting process. In this slide we discuss about the types and subfield of accounting. First, financial accounting. Financial accounting has the management to ascertain the profit and loss of the accounting period by preparing profit and loss account, and to know about the financial position by preparing balance sheet. Second, cost accounting. The purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services rendered by a business. So, to know about the total cost of the goods produced and services rendered, as well as per unit of the goods produced and services rendered, that can be done through cost accounting. Third, management accounting. Management accounting has the management in planning, controlling as well as in decision making activities. Fourth one, tax accounting. The branch of accounting which is used for tax purpose is called tax accounting, like income tax and GST are computed or calculated on the basis of tax accounting. And last, social responsibility accounting. As we already know that society provides the infrastructure and the facilities without which the business cannot operate at all. So, social responsibility accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating the contribution of the business to the society. So, that's all about the types and subfield of accounting. Thank you so much.